Demo Donna here with Queen & Company, and I'm going to show you how to make 2 pairs of earrings with just 1 die. Now this beautiful die is from the lovely Love Letter Kit, and I have already created in the past 2 great shaker cards using the Love Letter Kit, so I'm going to go ahead and attach those links in the description. So if you want to get inspired on making some shaker kits with this shaker cards with this fabulous kit, you can go ahead and click on those. But today we are going to be using the fabulous shrink film from the shrink kit, and there are a ton of different colors. I used the red for our earrings, and here are our 2 pair of earrings. So you have the actual decorative die, and then because you don't want to waste anything with your shrink film, I created these out of the leftover pieces from the inside of the hearts. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can catch our weekly videos here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. All right, to get started, what you're going to do is make sure you cut out 2 pieces just like this of your shrink film. So I'm going to cut out this ×2 and run it through my die cut machine. You don't want to run your entire piece of your shrink film through your die cut machine because it could damage your film, and you don't want to do that. So go ahead and cut these out. Now, once you cut these out ×2, you have the insert from your heart as well, and you can make another pair of earrings with those. But first we're going to create this guy. This ×2, like I said. Now when you're removing all these little inner pieces, just make sure you're gentle and you don't break your film. At this point, this is a hard plastic, so it is very fragile, so make sure you're careful. Next, you're going to want to take a heat-safe bowl, and I generally use it matte side up. Your shrink film has a glossy side and a matte side. And I'm going to use, since this is a little bit larger than the normal size of the shrink dies, I am going to just use my little craft pick here to hold it in place, but I'm not going to poke at it because I don't want to break it. And go ahead and heat set. Now, once you've completed that, you have 2 adorable, really cute hearts for your earrings. Now, this is a very basic how-to earring tutorial. So I've got silver, I've got gold, and you can use any kind. These are called fishhook ear wires. So all you have to do is take your plier tool and open this little circle up. So I just did that there, and making sure that the earring backing is facing the back, I am threading in glossy side, and I'm threading my little heart in, just like that. Now once I have that thread in, it's a really nice thing about this actual die is you don't have to hole punch your shrink film, because I usually tend to not do it center. So it's nice that these are already done. And now I'm just going to close up my fish hook. And now I have 2 beautiful little perfect heart dangle earrings that are just so fun and so simple to make. These are going to be a great little Valentine gift for all of your girlfriends. Okay, well now that we have these little heart inserts that were left over from the inside of our cutout here, I don't want to waste them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tiny little heart, also from your Love Letter Kit, and I am going to cut this little heart out at an angle at the same place of both of my earrings. So just like that, run that through your die cut machine, and then this is going to be the hole to hang my earring. So be very careful running that through. All right, now I have run both of these through my die cut machine, and I am simply going to repeat the process of shrinking them down. All right, and there is our one earring. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one, and you could see how much it curls up while it's heating, but it goes right back into shape. All right, and now I have my two hearts, and it's decision time. Do I wanna go shiny side or do I wanna go matte side? I actually really like the matte side. It adds a little bit of a different look. So I'm gonna create that same process where I am just gonna open up my earring and I'm gonna simply hook that right on and then close it up, being careful not to break my shrink heart. And that is earring number one. Okay, and here are the fabulous two pairs of earrings that we created using the beautiful heart die from the Love Letter Kit. A really basic how to create your own earrings. These are gonna be perfect for your girlfriends or family members over the Valentine holiday. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions and comment below. Have a fabulous rest of your week. Bye-bye.